the love of your life. Hello, Jack. Nice to meet you. Alam ko na, kinugil ko na siya, wala lang signal. Pero, hello, Jack. Pero kinikilig talaga ako, sorry. Diba?
Hindi, wala ko talaga nakikita ang pagkakaiba. Even kay Barbie, the way she acts or something. And
They're both nice. Pareho naman she's just whiter than Kathy, but they're all nice. They're all beautiful women. They're like my children talaga. Walang pinagkaiba. And I love that the actors of today, the Gen Z, has learned to show respect. Kasi there was a batch, I don't remember which batch, pero nawala yung respeto sa mga nakakatanda. Alam mo, sabi ko nga, if you cannot respect the person, respect the age na lang, diba? Pero these youngsters, they're also nice. Wala akong masabi. Parang inaral nila at sinapuso nila kung anong importante sa buhay, respeto. And I love that for all of them, all of these young kids who I've worked with. Yeah. Kuya Lar, hello. Dali, hello. Kuya Lar, hindi kita nabanggit kanina. Ayun, thank you.
Good luck sa pelikula.